Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between LeadSwift and Hyperise. LeadSwift and Hyperise. Want to know which lead generator tool wins? Entrepreneurs and marketers, do you need more leads? Today we're breaking down two powerful tools, LeadSwift and Hyperise. Want to see which one converts better? Let's find out in a few minutes. Let's look at what they're best for. LeadSwift is best for LinkedIn lead generation and automation, while Hyperise is best for personalized ads and hyper-targeting. Then let's look at ease of use. LeadSwift is simple, has a simple dashboard and quick setup, while Hyperise needs more customization and has slight learning curve. When you look at pricing, LeadSwift is affordable, it's like a pay-as-you-go, while Hyperise has a higher cost but it has premium features. So when we look at AI power, LeadSwift has auto messaging and follow-ups, while Hyperise has dynamic image video personalization. When we look at integration, LeadSwift has auto messaging and follow-ups. Has LinkedIn focused integrations, while Hyperise works with emails, ads, and CRMs. When we look at the ROI, return on investment, we're looking at LeadSwift. LeadSwift is great for cold outreach, and Hyperise is perfect for retargeting and conversions. So if you want LinkedIn automation, LeadSwift is your go-to. But if you need next level personalization, Hyperise takes the crown. Which one fits your business? Comment below, smash like, and subscribe for more to Showdown. See you in the next one.